Good morning, children. Today we are learning the textual bits of practice worksheet number 1. G bit we are learning today. Underline all the adjectives in these sentences. Tick right what kind of adjective each is. Here, adjective is a word which shows the quality of a person or a thing. So we have the types of adjectives. Among that we are learning the two types of adjectives, that is interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. In interrogative adjective we are going to ask the questions, or we are going to pose some questions to know answers to some questions. And possessive adjective, this is the adjective of saying that it belongs to whom, either it belongs to me or it belongs to others. And the one more is adjective of quantity. Quantity means how much quantity we need. Either we want that in more quantity or less quantity, or in or adjective of numbers also we have, like 5, 10, 20, 100. It's called the adjective of numbers. Then the adjective of quality. You are saying that how the work is being done. So let us complete this. First one, which game do you like most? The options are, the word is which. First we need to identify what is the adjective, underline it, then write the kind of adjective. Which, it is interrogative adjective. Here you want to know which work, game do you like. So interrogative adjective. Now second one, my name is Zoya. What is yours? So here the word is my. It is possessive adjective. It belongs to whom? That is possessive adjective. Third one, this milk shake is very good. The word is this. That you are specifying that this particular milkshake is very good. That is demonstrative. You are explaining it, or you are giving a statement. So that is demonstrative adjective. Fourth one, would you like more juice? Here you are asking that do you want something more in quantity. So it is the adjective of quantity. Fifth one, Himanshi has a terrible headache. Terrible. You are specifying, or you are particularly saying how the headache is. So you are qualifying it. So that is adjective of quality. Coming to the next bit, H. Put these words in the correct order to form sentences. First one, a big Archana has brown old bag. So the answer is, we need to rearrange these words to form a complete or a proper sentence. Archana has a big old brown bag. Second one, gifted us Uncle George two lovely caps, blue woven big. So here, who's the noun? If we have somewhat a long sentence, first of all write on the Noun. Who's that? Uncle George. What we did? He gifted us. What he gave? That two lovely big blue woven caps. We can't write the sentence as a blue big woolen caps. We should write it as big blue woolen caps. Third one. 3 big brown Akhil saw birds on the balcony. So change the sentence as Akhil saw 3 big brown birds on the balcony. Write down the next one, that is fourth one. Trousers, comfortable, old. Priyank cotton loves his. Now the sentence changes as Priyank. First, wherever if you are arranging the sentences, first see the subject of the sentence, means about whom we are speaking. So write that name first. Priyank loves his comfortable old cotton trousers. Coming to the last fifth one. Clock, round, beautiful. I love that big. So the sentence changes as I love that big round clock. Hope that everyone understood. Thank you.